The Bulgarian Global Empirical Model of TEC. Process of a model development goes continuously. This is an additional confirmation of an urgency of this process. The model, on the one hand, is most physically justified, on the other hand, by estimations of authors of, their model is 2 times more exact, than the NGM model. In references, it was developed not only the TEC model, but also the model of its error. Difference from the NGM model is the taking into consideration not only the components caused by sunlight, but also regular wave structure of the tidal nature acting from the lower atmosphere. The model is constructed according to the MAP code from 1999 to 2011. Sliding medians are calculated by means of a 31-day window, and the median is assigned to central day of a window, that is, 16 numbers. Sliding medians are calculated independently for each point of the chosen grid. Daily data sets for each modified geomagnetic latitude, a geographical longitude, and time UT are obtained. One of the reasons of use of the modified geomagnetic latitude instead of geographical just also is the account of influence of the lower atmosphere and a thermosphere, as this influence depends on a configuration of force lines of a magnetic field. The difference between geomagnetic and geographical frames generates an additional tidal response of the ionosphere. Spatial temporary structure of TEC is represented in the form of TEC equals phi1 phi2 phi3. Function phi1 is represented in the form of expansions in Taylor series, 2 and 3, in Fourier series. As parameter of solar activity, it is chosen not only index f10.7, but also its linear velocity kf. The seasonal factor includes 4 harmonics, the annual, semi-annual, 4 and 3 monthly. The daily variability includes 3 components, mean value TEC, a part describing solar components, and a part describing stationary planetary waves. The model includes 4,374 constants which are defined by a method of least squares. The number of included components in Taylor's and Fourier's expansions is defined by a trial and error method with use of the following criterion: components of higher order are rejected if their inclusion improves an error only in the third sign. In papers, detailed investigation of deviations of model TEC values from observational ones by means of estimations of an average, regular, error, ME, a mean squared error, RMSE, standard deviation errors, SDDE, was conducted. For all array of the used data, the following estimations are obtained: ME equals 0.003 tecu. For such value of ME, the other values are RMSE equals SDDE equals 3.387 tecu. These estimations are compared to estimations for the NGM model of TEC, ME equals minus 0.3 tecu, RMSE equals 7.5 tecu. Thus, the Bulgarian model has a smaller error in 2 times. However, it is noticed that both models are climatological, that is, describe an average condition in quiet geomagnetic conditions, and the difference in number of coefficients, 12 against 4,374, is underlined. Authors absolutely fairly do not consider a higher number of coefficients as a model shortage, as these factors are calculated once, however, they are unavailable. Coefficients of the NGM model were published and can be used by any user. In turn, we can notice that in an error distribution of any model there are tails, and it is important to define which latitudinal zones and which conditions of solar activity they concern too. As any model cannot work equally well in all latitudinal zones and meet the possible requirements because of limitations of the approaches, the used data, distinction of physical processes, testing of models does not cease to be an actual problem. In conclusion of this section, we will note reference in which some methods were compared at an estimation of positioning accuracy. One of them is based on the twin model. This model was used for correction of ionospheric delays in single-frequency receivers and has yielded results of positioning accuracy better than the Klobuchar model in standard global maps of TEC. Figures lay within 1 to 10 meters. These figures and other results of the reference show that basic distinctions between accuracies of positioning for these models are not present, but the twin model is constructed by data for low solar activity. The example for high activity is given in the paper mentioned in. In it, results of 6 methods were compared: 1. Not corrected delays, 2. Model, 3. Erie 2001, 4. The prediction for 40 minutes by results of tomographic reconstructions, 5. A method of tomographic reconstructions Midas, 6. a 2-frequency delay, it was used as a true delay. The basic emphasis was made on an estimation of a possibility to use a tomographic method for increase of positioning accuracy. As advantages, it is indicated a possibility of an obtaining of the data in real time, though it demands presence of an infrastructure which does not exist yet in many regions. In methods 4 to 5, tomographic maps of NH profiles were used for delay calculation. Results were obtained for the European zone and 4 stations, MAR 6, GOP, VIL, ANKR for several days of year 2002, and period 21 October-November 4, 2003. By results of paper, it is possible to make Table 3 in which results are given in order of accuracy increase. The positioning accuracy provided by various methods, by results of, NM. Feature of reference is the estimation of the positioning accuracy during the strongest geomagnetic perturbations which have paralyzed work of many satellite systems. However, an optimistic enough results are obtained at use of method MIDAS, though conclusions have ambiguous character.